So now we're going to talk about our loading screen animation, which is this one. Okay. And how I achieved this look. So as you can see in our HTML, I've not changed much except apart from the fact that I've done a div inside a div, and ID'd it called circle and square. So let's have a look at our CSS. So I gave the elements of what I wanted for the circle and what I wanted for the square. So I did the width of 200 pixels, the height of 200 pixels. I displayed it flex. So we've given the display of flex because I want to center align the square that's going inside the circle, and then I did justify content center because we just want to centralize everything basically. And then I did the border of 15 pixels solid, which is crimson. I margined it 0 auto, which is in the middle, and a margin top of 25%, and then I did the border radius of 50% because I wanted to change the circle I wanted to change the square into a circle, and this is how we achieve it. So then I did the animation of circle, 2 seconds, infinite, and I wanted to play forwards, which is the default setting anyway. The next one that I did is the square, and with the square I gave it the width of 75 pixels, the height of 75 pixels, the border of 5 pixels solid with a plum color, and I did the name of the animation as square, 2 seconds, infinite, playing it infinitely, ease in and out. So I just wanted to show you guys what the difference between linear and ease in and out is. So this is just linear playing, and as you can see with ease in and out, it's not much of a difference really, apart from this is just easing in really and out. So it's easing more in and then out, this is just one line of just playing forward. The next one I did was alternate reverse. So I just wanted to show you guys this one as well, which is the animation direction, and I'm just going to go on the alternate reverse. I'm just going to play it, which is backwards first and then forwards. And then the alternate was forwards first and then backwards. So yeah. The next thing I did was give the keyframes its set of rules. So for circle, I did the border color, and then I used the transform. So at the beginning of the presentation, I spoke a little bit of transform, but I spoke about translate, which is moving the element. With scale is just making the element bigger. So the 0 one is a scale of 1 because this is the default setting because it's just a 1-to-1 ratio on the X and Y axis. Then the 25% I did 1.1, 1.3 again, 1.1, and back to 1% as 400%. And for the square, I used transform again, but instead I wanted to give it a transform of rotating 360 degrees. So we have a look here. And there we have it. Oops, sorry. So as you can see, I've set the alternate reverse on the square, and it's actually doing that for me. So it's playing backwards first and then forwards, and backwards first and forwards again. And the scale of the circle is getting bigger and back to its normal position. So from the first to then 100%, it goes back to normal. And this is how I achieved all 3 elements.